am dirty. I am dirty. I am clean. I am clean. I am quiet. I am quiet. I am friendly. I am friendly. I am bored. I am bored. I am excited. I am excited! I am relaxed. I am relaxed. I am nervous. I am nervous.
I am angry now. I am angry now. I am angry now. I am angry now.
I am calm. I am calm. I am weak today. I am strong. I am strong.
I am old. I am old.
I am bad at math. I am bad at math. I am good at English. I am good at English.
I am busy at work. So many things to do. I am busy at work.
I am tired now. I am sad today. I am sad today. I am happy. I am happy. I am hungry. I am hungry. I am cold. I am cold. I am cold.
Learn English with fun. We'll play games and have fun with words. Goodbye.